Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Paramount Plus app and sign in fast step by step clearly. To download the Paramount Plus app, start by unlocking your device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. For Android devices, launch the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Paramount Plus. Locate the Paramount Plus app from the search results. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Select the Get or Install button. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once installed, locate the Paramount Plus app on your home screen or app drawer. Press the app icon to open it. When the app launches, you'll see the welcome screen. Select the Sign In option on the screen. If you don't have an account, tap Sign Up to create one. For existing users, enter your email address and password. After entering your credentials, press the Sign In button. You may be prompted to verify your login with a two-step authentication. Follow the instructions provided, if prompted. Once signed in, explore the app's content and features. Enjoy your viewing experience on Paramount Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.